Welcome, in front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I will show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner on your phone won't recognize your fingerprint. So the first thing that you should do if you can't unlock your device with your fingerprint is set up a new one through the settings. Here let's go to Security and Privacy, then select Device Unlock, then select Fingerprint, confirm with your parent or PIN or a password, then remove the old fingerprints from your device, and then before we add a new one, let's wipe the surface of the fingerprint scanning button to make it smoother, to make it recognize our fingerprint easier. Select fingerprint, confirm, and let's try and add a new one. Proceed carefully. And once you're done, select done. And before we continue, let's also check out if our phone is up to date. So let's go back to settings, select system updates, check for updates, and if there are any, then install them. This might also help you fix the problem. Now before we try and use our fingerprint again, let's also restart our phone to make sure that this time everything goes smooth. Hold down the power key for a while and then wait until your device starts up again. And when the phone turns on, let's first try to unlock it using a pattern, and then let's try and use our fingerprint. And as you can see, it works smoothly. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.